Companies like Facebook, Google, and Amazon has got tons of data about us. Even the small companies have a lot of information about us, like our sign-up details, how many times we are logging in into the website, what is our purchase decision, what products we are looking up for, or what product we are interested in, when was the last time we purchased a product. This is all crucial information, and companies are already aware that processing this data, processing this information, we can get amazing results in our sales. Companies can even offer you amazing features. Remember the 3 tiles that you get in your Gmail for quick replies? How does the Uber knows that your driver will be arriving in that amount of minute? How does the Google Map knows that you'll be reaching to your destination in that amount of time? This is all data science and machine learning. Highest trending topic as of now, highest job opportunities are in data science and machine learning, and of course highest paid jobs are also getting opened up in machine learning and data science. All because companies know that by hiring a data scientist and machine learning, we can improve our productivity as well as our sales. A lot of people think that machine learning and data science can only be learned by PhD or can be done by PhDs. No, it's not like that. Anybody can learn data science and machine learning. Welcome to Machine Learning and Data Science Bootcamp, one of the best resources available online so that you can understand as well as can implement all the things that can be done using machine learning and data science. My name is Hitesh and I have been programming for over 10 years. With over 170,000 plus subscribers on YouTube, I have been serving to more than 100,000 global students. I have created some of the amazing and life-changing boot camps on web, Android, and iOS. You know what's the best part about my morning? When I receive almost every single day an email that says, because of you, I was able to change my life. I got my first internship. I got my first job. This is the best part that starts my morning. I am back with another exciting bootcamp on machine learning and data science. The number one goal of this course is to make sure that everybody can understand machine learning. And my specialty is to teach the topic in a fun and engaging manner so that user can understand the things as well as can implement whatever he has learned. In this course, I have taken special care so that even the complex topic can become simply easy for every student. So the first big question is what you'll be learning in this course. In this course, we'll first start with installing everything. I'll walk you through what is the installation process, and after that we're going to deep dive into Python. I'll jog your memory with the Python by introducing you with the topics of data types, if and else, and loop. Once that is done, I'll walk you through with a Python challenge course where I'll show you some of the challenges in Python like printing a pattern, having multiplication table, or doing web scraping using Python. This all will jog your memory with the Python and will make sure that you are completely friendly with Python. After that, we will move on to NumPy. NumPy is the most amazing topic and every data science and machine learning student should master it. So we'll spend a really good amount of time with NumPy along with example. During the entire course, no code was copy and pasted. I'll be writing code in every single point along with you. After NumPy, we will move on to one of the most powerful library of machine learning and data science, which is Pandas. We will be spending good amount of time with Pandas. Whether you want to analyze any kind of data set, bring it up from CSV file, Excel file, or maybe from any database, Pandas can almost handle everything. I will also walk you through that how you can read the documentation, so whenever you need to do something extra, you can quickly dive into the documentation and can find exactly what you'll be needing up. One of the most important part about machine learning and data science is analyzing these data. These data sets can be a little bit tricky to understand in the number format. So next up, we will break through into matplotlib and we will learn how we can plot these data into graphs and plots of variety of different techniques and types. Once we are done with the matplotlib, further we are going to dive deep into Seaborn. Seaborn is really a powerful library, again being used for plotting variety of graphs. But comparatively, it is much more easier to learn as well as much more powerful. During all of these libraries and process of learning them, we will be analyzing tons of data like iris dataset, your 911 call datasets, your housing prediction model, and all of these things is already covered up. But that's not it. We have a lot more things to cover up. After that, we will move on into the data cleanup process. Whenever a data is being bring up into machine learning or data science or anything else, it needs to go through with a cleaning process. We have to handle the ambiguities in the data. So we will learn how we can handle the data cleanup process. Once we are done with that, we will move into the core machine learning part. I will walk you through with the things like what is supervised and unsupervised learning. Don't worry if this sounds too much jargon to you, you will understand each and everything inside the course. Once we are done with these things, then we'll move on to the core machine learning part and we'll look into the various algorithms that are famous in machine learning. We will be talking about variety of algorithms like linear regressions, decision trees, SVM, k-nearest neighbor, naive Bayes, and a lot more. Not only will be learning about the working as well as the implementation part of these algorithms, instead I have gone ahead into one more step and I have taken up my pen and my tablet and I have explained even the mathematical part of these algorithms. I have taken help of variety of graphs and other things to make sure that you properly understand that algorithm and then you write code for it and shows the implementation of that algorithm. Even in one of the video, I have went ahead and taken up an example from a high school math to make sure that you understand properly what is Bayes' theorem. Not only that, at variety of steps, I have even went into the libraries like scikit-learn and I have tried to show you that how you can read the documentation of these famous libraries like scikit-learn and all these other things so that whenever you want to customize anything or want to do something separately with that, you are completely able to do so. The next big question is, what are the prerequisites to learn machine learning? And honestly, not much, but still two. First of all, machine learning is not a beginner course. The first and foremost thing that you need to learn data science and machine learning is a lot of dedication. The first prerequisite that you should have before starting this course is a little bit basics of Python. Now you don't need to master Python, but things like how to declare a variable, if else, functions and loop should be covered up with you. Now don't worry if you are not quite friendly with the Python as of now because I have thrown up a refresher so that it can jog up your memory. The second requirement for this course is coming up from the math part. The mathematics can be a little bit scary for many of you, but believe me, it's not much. If you have taken up math as your subject in your high school and you are aware about the things like what is a matrix and how we can add to matrix, that's it. And even if you are not aware for the matrix, this course is probably not for you. And yes, just in case you are worried about, let me just say that certificates are included in the course along with all of the exercise files in the notebook format and in the HTML format. And just one more thing, in case you are worried about your internet connectivity or internet issues, you can download Learn Code online app and can use our offline access feature so that you can download all the videos and can watch them whenever you like. If you face any problem, you can always post in the discussion section or can reach me out on my Facebook page too. On top of that, all this information, amazing exercise files and plethora of data is coming up at an amazing discount. Machine learning, without a doubt, is the next big thing in IT industry. It is the next big revolution. I highly recommend you to check out some of the free previews of the video to get an idea how actually the course looks like and even join my YouTube channel to figure more out. Machine learning is the next big thing and is the next revolution in the IT industry. Every company nowadays is having a data science and machine learning division. Lot of job opportunities and it is changing everything around us. I recommend you to check the link in the description below or at the bottom and at least take a look at the course. Enjoy some of the free previews and decide yourself whether you want to jump on into this next big revolution of machine learning or not. Choice is totally yours and I'm pretty sure I'll surely catch you up inside the course.